sunset sky brings me peace. Hummingbirds dance with ease. I find calm in the breeze. Gentle streams lull me to sleep. Mountain secrets buried deep. Lone coyote starts to weep. His harmony I do keep. In the stillness of the pines, where the stars and moons align, nature's voice is soft and kind. In its arms I unbind. Mirrored lakes reflect the stars, silent echoes from afar. Wood smoke leaves a gentle scar. In this moment here we are. Time stands still, my heart beats slow. Among the branches dreams will grow. In the quiet I will show love for all the life I know. In the stillness of the pines, where the stars and